Welcome to Cannon Township, a serene and picturesque community just east of Rockford. Nestled amidst the natural beauty of the Pickerel Lake Preserve and Townsend Park, this area offers a perfect blend of tranquility and convenience. Imagine living near the Cannonsburg Ski Area, where winter sports enthusiasts can indulge in their favorite activities. And in the warmer months, enjoy the nearby Silver Lake and Bostwick Lake for boating, fishing, and leisurely picnics. Residents will appreciate being a part of the highly rated Rockford School District. Daily conveniences are just a short drive away, with Rick's Food Center, gas stations, and other amenities right down the street. Today, we're excited to show you a stunning home in this fantastic area. This beautiful property features 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, offering nearly 2,700 square feet of living space with an unfinished walkout basement. All of this sits on over half an acre of lush green land, providing a private and serene setting. Step inside and be greeted by the elegance of quartz countertops and the warmth of hardwood floors throughout the main living areas. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with ample counter space and modern appliances. And the living room is perfect for cozy evenings, featuring a fireplace and large windows that let in plenty of natural light. From here, step out onto the expansive back deck, ideal for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet morning coffee while overlooking the beautiful and private backyard. Speaking of the backyard, it's perfect for summer gatherings with a fire pit area, making it a great space for roasting marshmallows and creating lasting memories. The home is equipped with a central vacuum system and is pre-wired for a generator, ensuring comfort and convenience in every season. The master suite features a luxurious ensuite bathroom with modern fixtures and plenty of closet space. Upstairs, you'll find the additional primary bedroom above the garage, providing a private retreat for guests or family members. This home also includes a tankless water heater, ensuring you never run out of hot water, even during those busy mornings. This home in Cannon Township offers the perfect combination of luxury, convenience, and natural beauty. Schedule your tour today and experience all this amazing property has to offer.